Okay, we going to try to reset the oil light on this 2018 Toyota Camry. 19, 20, 21 should be mostly identical. Once you start the vehicle up, you see the oil maintenance repair lights. You go to the left side of the steering wheel, and you got this arrow, that back arrow. Hit that, and okay, and up here you got different options. You can use this control button. Okay, go to vehicle setting. Right there, go to setting and then vehicle setting. Hit OK, and then go to schedule maintenance. Click on it, reset data, and yes. Click on yes, and now reset's complete. Now you can reset your oil light. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.